Sure people. Sanibonani. Sanibonani. Ma MK amahle. Sanibonani. Sanibonani Sizwe. Sizwe sika baba. Ngibeke nethi nje. Sizwe sika baba. Sanibonani guys. Hey, abantu bayakhomenta ukuthi ubaba uNcamalala umsholozi kahle lento bekayenziswa ukuthi bekalo impi zakhe noRamaphosa nabanye ebangaphakathi kweANC. Manje akasana plani mase votile manje uyekelela iANC neDA nenkatha zitake over iNatali ubaba kana plani this person kahle siwone ukuthi sivote amavote wethu bheka aye kuye aye ahamba useless because of now lo muntu lo manje uhleli phansi kana plan akana what akana in what hey bantu bayabuwa ithi ukutshela uyabona ubaba njengoba sakaqale iMK party yizwa ngami ukuthi uZuma he knew things before bekazi ukuthi no uzoba nama court case azohamba bamsuwe ukuthi na MK he cannot register MK emblem. He knew all those things and waba nama answer wawo. Umsholozi uZuma he knew ukuthi na kuzoba impossible ukuthi na ayongena eParliament amele MK because of ukhe waboshwa. He knew all those things. Hayi ukuthi uvule MK because of lezinto bekade angazazi. No, he knew those things. Suka lapho dedela hambele kudini. He knew all those things. That's why sithi checkmate ubheke. He knew all those things. Asihlahla sibuyele emuva nje. Remember ukuthi nakukhe kwaba nesigameko la uMalema aya kaMsholozi before ayoboshwa. uMalema ukhe waya kaMsholozi bathi bapositive. Even today no one knows ukuthi nabo kukhulunywa ngani hore honobuwa ka eng haona motho a tsebang. Even today haona motho a tsebang hona during that meeting honobuwa ka eng. Gentlemen, after the meeting, after everything, Dalimpofu went to represent Zuma. Dalimpofu. And akaziwa Dalimpofu osaitali EFF. Okamanga EFF. Malema onabatla Zuma aye Tronko. And then wishitsa hai nidietsa hala. Because of unaya Tronko. Iso unaya fela unaile. Una ken. Malema kimo matlame gore a tsa stempeteng na Zuma, he doesn't get out. But in fact, Dalimpofu alenga hara EFF atsamaya alo rescue the enemy. Hey, oh God. Out. All right. Fast forward. Avayinga yona nto. Skatata avayinga. Now look. Who will be leading the MK on the parliament? In the parliament. Who will be leading MK party in the parliament? Heribua ka chache kholo. Isimbo zondo umasepe mfana. You are in trouble. Bona Zuma chusitse ma. A person who knows law. Who knows law in and out. In and out. Guys, hafella moon. he's contesting the elections. I wanna know. Let's Tuesday. Results now. We're either going back to the polls or what? But IEC has released the statement. Hore, who's on the confusion? IEC, the one who is that that woman there is being charged and arrested of the child. No, they are confused. Even IEC now is confused because of Zuma. Even IEC. So now Zuma bafethu mutweleng. So now we charge into it. So now, what's going to happen? We are going back to the polls. We are going back to the polls. I'm not lying to you, Bafana. We are going back to the polls. MK Santanelo bahlaba, ibahlabe, ho kene tukutse khubedu. Tukutse khubedu ntate di a kena le tsona di tlo kena. We sold the guy. And then we know very well Malema will never stop fighting for us. He will fight for us. But we sold him. Look what DA want to do now. Kara national of what unity. Bona DA senze kala mkhoba wa yona. Bon. DA senze ba tlontsha di true colors ho ga hantlantle yona ke eng. E sentse ba tlo change dintho e sentse ba ya melao gona. No, you cannot take decisions without me. Meaning gona you cannot do things and then what yona it will go to the point qetelong ya gona nna can do things without you. Check. Ramaphosa, with this government of national unity, my friend, you are already regretting yourself. Anye bue next bafethu. Ke kwala. Basa rating MK habai rat. But Zuma, he has nothing to lose. Now Zuma wenteng. Zuma during his term wenteng. Now when I remember carefully, during Zuma term, msebitu nolukalo. Spani. Aye. Remember, kena ko ya di Gupta. You get that? Kena ko na di Gupta ne investile ka South Africa. Yes, ne di utswa mara di kentse chelete bo Eskom di kentse chelete ka ile di project tsa di Gupta. The project after project. Siaka le power station lena sitiliza lena siaka le power station lena sitiliza lena siaka le power station lena sitiliza le. In Zuma term. Baba Magnai already and everything this thing was already in progress. Okay, Zuma utlise di Gupta. Anke go bona di Gupta ke tsona ke bona batho ba tsogeng chelete o tlama ba tlise mona tlo ba user. Yes, di Gupta le bona ba batla etsa chelete. There are no investors that don't want to spend chelete bona mona go bona ba ska thola profit. No, if they steal like le bona. Mar Rona down there, fast Rona manini. What are we getting? Oh, monaka musebetsi. Hey, wena. But now, who's wrong? Ha! Aki kwale bafana. Khatla bua kana go nngwe. Oh. Anye ke reviva MK. Ke tlo reviva EFF and MK. Take over. Nkang le babedi letse government of national unity le bone le sebetsa jwang. Awe